My name is Dimitri, this is Ben.
Indeed.
We're the respective house captains for Zell and McKillop at O'Loughlin Catholic College. Sponsored. Today we're going to be going over the sun safety requirements, as well as what equipment you'll need on the day, and where you're going to be swimming on the day, according to what you want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. On the day, preferably bring your house sports uniform. Otherwise, bring a shirt that has your house colour. Sunglasses.
Sunscreen.
Make sure you rub it in.
If you don't have these items,
Get some.
It's not
Bring a
hard.
hat.
Bring a hat.
you have to buy one.
You might have to buy one.
I don't have the money to buy a hat.
Bring a hat. Get a green hat.
Green hat?
Get a red
Blue
hat. Blue hat.
Have a hat.
Have a hat.
While a Viking hat is a suitable option for invading England, it is not a suitable option for a swimming carnival, and so we please ask that you do not wear a Viking hat.
On the day, you have to wear a hat that covers your skin. Like this one. And this one. And this one. And So the 25-metre pool is a pool for those who are not as confident at swimming. It is a pool that will help those who just come for a fun time rather than a competitive time.
But if you are fighting for glory, if you are fighting for honour, if you are fighting for your family name, if you want to be champion and get points for your house, then the 50-metre pool will be available for all those who seek glory, honour, a good family name, and points for your house.